Ayame original, Yume Hanabi. I literally just searched it up. I think that's how you say it. Yep. From 10 months ago. And yeah, should be litty. I really like the other one. So well, let's get it. Sorry if I don't talk as much as normal. My voice is lost. Oh, what? What? Hey, I wasn't expecting that. Hey! What? What? Hey! This could be my favorite from her. I mean, I've only heard two, but I'm loving the pace and the instrumental. Yay! You know, traditional like those very traditional instrumentes, and she is floating on that shit when she sings. She is floating on that shit. It was about to get lit. Wait. This is the sprinkler. I was not doing any other hand movement. This is called the sprinkler. Don't think I was doing something else. That's crazy. For some reason, I feel like I've heard that little, like, 5 seconds from the hook. But it could just sound like a different song. If I have, I definitely don't know it enough to, you know the rest of the song, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I saw a clip on Twitter or something. I always see music clips everywhere. But I don't believe I've heard this. Sounds pretty new to me. I think it just had a similar flow to other shit I've heard on that specific part with these same type of instruments, so I think, it threw me off. Better than the rest of the hook, it's definitely something I haven't heard before. Hey! I definitely would have remembered this guitar. Great choice to have this in a otherwise very, non-digital or electric music place. God, my voice is actually gone. This is such a vibe, though. This is actually an amazing song. Is that lit? I was too much vibing to notice the bass too. It's very light. Shut that shit. Hey! Can you guys tell I'm in a good mood? Because when I finished today, Spider-Man 2, that shit was peak. That was amazing. That was amazing, bro. That's definitely my favorite song of hers so far, even though we've only heard two. Really enjoyed that one. Holy shit. Holy shit. You know what I'm writing to next from her? Her cover of Cute Cotty, because I love the original song. I definitely love the original song so much. It's so good. I listen to it all the time. Honestly, that song kickstarted my love for Iowa, because Iowa's one of my favorite Vocaloid artists. Like, He Abnormal might be the best song, like, ever, man. That shit is so peak. But yeah, shout out to IMA, and I'm out. Recommend me something to react to, I guess, in the comments. Like the video, and bye. I'm gonna go drink some, I was gonna say tea, but I would be lying. I'm gonna keep drinking my Gatorade.